Welcome to this video on how to handle a tax audit notice smartly. This comprehensive step-by-step guide is specifically for taxpayers in Bangladesh. Wondering why you were selected? The NBR has moved to an automated risk-based process, selecting over 72,000 TINs this year. Selection is often random, without human bias, and utilizes data integration from various sources. Remember, an audit is a verification process, not an accusation, ensuring a fair tax environment. Phase 1 is to analyze and prepare. First, carefully review the notice to identify the assessment year, documents requested, and the reply deadline. Next, verify your submitted return for any errors or inconsistencies. Finally, conduct a bank reconciliation to ensure transactions match declared income, as unexplained deposits are a major risk factor. Proper planning is 80% of the solution. Phase 2 focuses on verification and logic. Justify your lifestyle expenses against your declared income. Maintain year-on-year consistency, and prepare logical explanations for any sudden shifts in income or profit. Verify all tax deducted at source is properly claimed, and keep valid evidence while separating personal and business expenses. Phase 3 is submission mastery. All investment sources, such as FDR, DPS, or Sanchay Patra, must have an explainable and documented source of funds. Keep your TIN and NBR profile updated to avoid complications. Most importantly, never miss a deadline. Maintaining timely notice response avoids heavy penalties and risk. Need expert help with tax, VAT, or company-related assistance? You can reach out to Saiful Hossain Rubel, CEO and lead consultant at LegalPoint. You can contact them via mail, their website, or phone. Remember, an audit is just a verification process. With LegalPoint, you are in safe hands.